I'm going to give you a short demo of how much power I'm getting on the Airpal. I'll start with 7 megahertz. I'm using SX200 SWR meter and the Airpal transceiver. So I'll show you how much output I'm getting on 40 meter band. Hal, hal, hal. It is crossing 5 watts. So this is my microphone. So let us now transmit on the 20 watt range. Hal, 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 hal. I am assuming it's 7 watts. So now let me change on to 20. On 20 the power will be less. So let me go a bit down on 5 watts. Hal, 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 hal. It's nearing 2 watts, around 1.6 to something, nearing 2 watts. So it can be peaked to around 2 watts. The maximum that it can give, that can be 2 watts. So for QRP operation, this is good enough. And if you want to use a linear, we will be having a linear for Airpal that will transform this power into convert this power into 40 watts. So the linear is coming soon, and it can be put on this rig itself. So you will be getting around 30 watts on 20 meters, around 40 watts on 40 meters. So thank you.